We have been trying to conceive for about 6 years, and we did several years ago get tested for infertility, and it came out that we had unknown infertility, and we discussed undergoing IVF or IUI, and it really just felt super invasive, super impersonal. I knew several people who went through that process, and it was really just like cookie cutter. It didn't seem to be tailored to their own needs. So when I found Dr. Allen and saw that she had a personal approach and really analyzed like who we were as a couple, that's what really drew me to the practice.
It was geared towards us, not towards the mass.
I felt like she used a holistic approach. So she had us do some blood work, she got our baselines, and then week by week we were able to tailor our appointments based on what we were actually going through. So she was there with us through the wins and the challenges, and it just really felt supportive in that way. It felt like we could get through the hurdles one at a time.
Yeah, it didn't feel like we were just gonna have the door shut in our face if something didn't work. It was, she was working with us. Tired. It's awesome. It's kind of hard to describe. It's 6 years of trying, and here we are.
I had a follow-up appointment with Dr. Allen just after having our son, and I remember coming in here and just like feeling overwhelmed with emotion, just so happy, so grateful for everything that we have, everything Dr. Allen helped us through, and looking back, it's hard to believe we waited so long before coming here, but we're so grateful and so happy. I would say for someone considering essential natural health to definitely go for it. Dr. Allen and the team here is super supportive. Throughout pregnancy, they were able to adjust and tailor to my needs, whether I was feeling extra fatigued that day or wasn't carrying the baby very comfortably. We were adjusting the appointments as we went, and I just felt very supportive. I feel like our son wouldn't be here today without them.
Also, she was very good at answering all the questions that we had, so there was never a time that we couldn't ask. We were never left in the dark.
I'm just so grateful for all of you guys. I know you sent us flowers, that made me cry. I just feel so like at peace here and supported by the whole team. It's incredible, so thank you.
Yeah, it feels like a family, like kind of once you're in, you're in.
I have struggled with infertility for both of my pregnancies, and I understood the second go around how important it is to really feel grounded, because it can be a very stressful process. And for me, acupuncture was a way to be able to prioritize my own self-care and really see the benefits of how I can think more holistically about my health and support of my pregnancy. Dr. Allen is just absolutely supportive. Her staff is very professional and kind. The entire time, I really felt like I was being heard in what I was struggling with or what I needed help with in the moment. And that felt invaluable to me, especially in such, a period where there is a lot of uncertainty and just questioning in general around why can't I get pregnant. So that was very grounding and something that I needed, and ultimately we are expecting, baby girl number 2 to make her debut any day at this point. I can't stress enough just feeling like you are being cared for, especially when you go through fertility treatments. At times you can feel like a number, and here very much felt like somebody who was able to get individualized care, and anything that I did need, I felt very comfortable in speaking up and advocating for myself about it. I can say too that, leading up to delivery date, it is just amazing to be able to get like the cat naps. I tend to fall asleep in my appointments and just relax, so that's great when you're waking up multiple times in the middle of the night. So it is not just for fertility and preconception. I've also had, in between a chronic sinus infection with my pregnancy that Dr. Allen and her team helped with, and a recovering knee injury. So it's been really comprehensive from that standpoint, and again, just can't recommend her or her team enough. Don't think hard, because it's an easy choice to make, and I'm hopeful that you all can have the success, or at least the encouragement and support that I have had.